Hello everybody, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. And our company specializes in commercial diesel parts. And today I will bring you one of our hot sealing products. Let's take a look. And firstly, you can see here, the outside package is this kind of blue VCI anti-rust bag. The label here, our Shumatt brand logo, and the product code of this valve assembly is F00RJ02130. And for this kind of the logo, label, the packages, etc., we can support a customized service. And now let's take a look for the inside. Wow, take a look. Inside of it, it is kind of transparent bottles, and we use the oil paper to wrap it up in the inside. Take a look. This is the valve cap. There is coating figures here, and that's the valve rod. For this valve assembly, it's the 120 series, and the applicable inject number is 04451200059. And for this product, 6 months warranty time in this period, and our customers, if you are not set with the quality, we can return or exchange. So much for this one. At last, if you like our product, remember, feel free to contact us. So much for today. See you next time. Have a good day. Bye.